here at the Riverside Locks. And check it out. I'm pretty sure these used to be armor. No, I'm positive. I know these used to be armor because I wrote them. I guess that one doesn't work. Just this one.
Ninth floor, going down.
Just gonna go down to 2. It's got a butterfly MX card reader. I've never seen a butterfly MX reader before. I think this mod was done by Schumacher. It looks like Schumacher. So these were originally armor with like the white buttons. I'll put a link to the video in the description because there's an original, Johnny filmed these original. And then there's a pretty cool elevator that I'll show you a preview of.
Second floor, going down.
Now, before the video ends, let's just quickly look over here.